Back with the 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today's tiny project is replacing this throttle position sensor while giving you a brief explanation on its purpose. So let's get started. I'm removing the negative battery terminal to ensure that everything is switched off and unable to function while I work. Now we need to take off this air hat, and you'll need a 13/16 for 20mm socket for removal. The throttle position sensor is on the driver's side of the throttle body and is held in place with two T25 torque screws. To remove the connector, just push down on this tab and pull outward. And I'm using this right angle ratcheting screwdriver with the T25 Torx bit for removal. Don't forget to remove the paper gasket from the mating surface, and I'm using an OEM replacement. It comes with new screws and two types of gaskets. So this throttle position sensor basically measures the angle of the throttle plates. This information is sent to the computer and used to calculate the amount of airflow to the engine and how much fuel to inject for the required air-fuel mixture. When this fails, you'll notice poor engine performance, lack of power, your transmission may not shift correctly, and your engine may randomly stall. Also important to note, this sensor is for 97 and up models. You're going to need this throttle position sensor for the 96 and earlier models. For reinstallation, I'm using a paper gasket, and you want to line the sensor up with the throttle tab, then twist it back to line the screw holes up. There's no need to program the sensor, and the computer reset itself when we disconnected the battery. So until next time, y'all stay tuned.